Hello, dear friends. I am Emilio Carrillo, and I am very briefly sharing this special and very important video with all of you to announce that on the upcoming July 22nd of this year, 2024, Mary Magdalene's Day, the patroness of contemplative life, we will be holding a workshop titled Spirituality and Joy with the subtitle The Joy of Living with Solomon, St. Francis of Assisi, and St. John of the Cross. It will be a workshop that will be held on July 22nd at Spanish time and will start on the Zoom platform at 6 p.m. and will run from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. The first 2 hours will be dedicated to my detailed presentation, and the last hour, which is the third hour, will be specifically reserved for answering all of your questions in detail. However, after the session, the next day, through the association Kiko's Corner, which is organizing this online summer workshop and is dedicated to promoting educational activities, you will receive both the video and the essay, the text I have written, which is detailed and comprehensive and which will serve as the basis for my presentation. You can receive the text and video in Spanish or English or in both languages, which is a novelty and a significant improvement in these extraordinary summer workshops that we have been conducting for some years now, always on Mary Magdalene's Day. But this year, it will have this uniqueness and special feature. Both the video and the text can be viewed and reviewed in either Spanish or English at the participant's choice. What exactly will we do in the workshop? We will emphasize in great detail the significance, the connection, and the close interaction between spirituality and joy, and thoroughly in a comprehensive manner. Not surprisingly indeed, as we will thoroughly develop in the upcoming workshop, joy is the natural and inevitable fruit of the human being's continuous progress along that enlightening path of consciousness, which makes possible the gradual and increasingly greater presence in our daily lives of what the revered St. John of the Cross called the divine essence. This divine essence is, as many of you undoubtedly know, the presence within each of us of the Holy Spirit that intimately and profoundly dwells as an ineffable and indelible imprint of that which, having no origin and being the origin of all that is originated, is present and immanent in all that is originated, including, of course, each one of us. And it is important that this subtle and powerful link between spirituality and joy is indeed understood, highlighted, and valued. This is, in fact, the fundamental goal of this summer workshop. In the face of the false and harmful idea, spread and protracted by dogmatically entrenched religions, that the spiritual path is a kind of road of pain, sorrow, and sadness, and grievousness, when in reality it is indeed exactly the opposite. Spirituality, that is, a practice of life that is truly conscious and coherent with our genuine imperishable being, is the only thing that can lift people out of the spiral of despondency, regret, and anxiety in which so many are immersed, and provide them with a full and abundant existence. Of course, this does not mean that suffering, the dark nights, returning to the saint from Avila, do not have their function as a trigger and even a guide in the progression along the mentioned path, which is often arduous, challenging, and often difficult. But this function is always essentially, in fact, actually a means, never an end or a goal. This is undoubtedly clearly evidenced by the accumulated experience of so many men and women and countless individuals who have courageously and bravely walked this path, and in doing so, have generously shared with us the profound and sublime experience that spirituality brings, which fills life with, on one hand, true freedom, which, as will be seen in the workshop, represents the complete absence of fears, and on the other hand, happiness. A happiness that is genuinely, truly, and deeply, radically different from that mediocre and resigned substitute that contemporary society calls well-being. A true happiness, which is a profound and deeply fulfilling state that is inherently present within us, and that, as will also be detailed, coincides perfectly with the harmonious and deeply penetrating conjunction of bliss, inner peace, and joy, a state that Christianity calls grace and Hinduism refers to as Om Shanti. All of these, friends, indeed also most certainly encourages and nurtures the joy that spirituality truly entails, which is indissolubly linked to a deep reverence for life in all its manifestations, in all its forms, in the entirety of its expressions, and in the gradual emergence in the human being of a new and revolutionary perception of reality, where one begins by seeing God in all things and culminates by seeing all things through the eyes of God. In fact, truly, indeed, in every possible way. Throughout this, the workshop will delve in great detail into three very unique and extraordinary works that, in the beautiful form of songs, are themselves an expression and culmination of immense joy in spirituality. The workshop will also focus on the Song of Songs, which is attributed to Solomon, the Canticle of the Creatures, written by Saint Francis of Assisi, and the Spiritual Canticle, composed by Saint John of the Cross. All of this, friends, as I mentioned at the beginning, in the online summer workshop dedicated to spirituality and joy and the joy of living, which we will hold on July 22nd, 2024, from 6 to 9 p.m. From 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Spanish time. You will be able to watch it live, of course, and the next day, through the association Kiko's Corner, you will receive both the video and the essay text that I will use as the basis for my presentation. You can choose to receive it in Spanish, in English, or in both languages at the same time. All of this at a cost that we have tried to keep as moderate as possible, because our aim is not profit, but the dissemination of awareness and spirituality. It will be $10 for the Spanish version and $11 for the English version, if desired. Through Kiko's association, you will have all the information for registrations and everything else and more. So thank you very much for your attention, friends, and I hope to see you on July 22nd, Mary Magdalene's Day, in this wonderful workshop dedicated to joy and spirituality and joy. A big hug.